In this video, we will see the modernized admin template, which is built on Vuetify, which is one of the most popular framework for developing web applications. As you can see, it's a very beautiful dashboard, and we have different templates for modern e-commerce. It has many different inbuilt applications like blocks. Then we have chats, calendar, notes, etc. It's a multilingual project, which means you can also change the language. As you can see, it's now in French. I can change the menu to Arabic also, and we also have the option to change to Chinese. It also has many different layouts, like it has horizontal layout. You can change the theme direction. You can even change the to the dark theme, which is very beautiful. It has different color modes, as you can see, and many different options. So let's go and see how you can use this admin template for your own work. So once you download and extract the zip files, you will get these three main folders: docs, Figma file, and packages. Inside the Figma file, you will get a text document, and inside it you will get the Google Drive link as well as the Figma link. You can open these links and check the designs if you want. Then inside docs we have the official documentation. Just go to the index, open the index, and it will open on your default web browser. So it's a little description given here, right? So in order to customize it, you should have the knowledge of Vue.Js, CSS, and HTML. And this is for the support ticket. This I will tell you later. Let's go and check the package structure. So inside the package folder, this is the one. We have the main files inside main folder, and we also have a starter kit. If you do not want to use the whole project, you can go with starter kit, right? So inside main we have all the main files. Inside src we have mock APIs. Inside assets we have images. Inside components we have the UI components. Since we have different layouts, it's inside the blank and full. Then for routing we have router. For SCSS we have the SCSS folder. We also have authorization folders. Then since it's using TypeScript, so for types we have types folder, right? Inside utils we have the Axios library. Inside views we have different charts, authentication apps, dashboard, which is again the UI part. And then these are the default view files, and this is for the starter kit, like I said. So let's go ahead and see how you can quickly start the project. So to start the project, you should have Node.js 14 plus and npm.js 6 plus installed on your local system. How you can check? You just have to go to the command prompt and type node-v to check the node version. My system has 21.1, which is more than 14. So it's good to go. Let's also check the npm version. So let's type npm-v to check the npm version. So npm version is 10.8, which is again higher than 6. If you're getting any error message, what you can do, you can just go to the official website of nodejs.org, and from here you can install the latest version of Node, and same goes with npm. You can go with the later npm version. I'm npm official website, and from there you can install the latest version of npm. So once you install and or update these two environments, it's time to open the project on your code editor. So I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. So I have opened the main files. As you can see, we are inside the packages main. So now what we have to do, we just have to type npm install in order to install all the node package modules which are necessary to run the project. So I'm going with npm install. If you are using yarn, you can also go with yarn install, right? So npm I is the short form to install all the node package modules. It will take few minutes to install the modules. Once it done, I'll show you how you can start and customize it. So now node modules have been installed. As you can see, a new folder has been created by the name of node_modules. Let's get back to the start process. Now to run the project, you have to type npm run dev, and it will start on localhost 5173. Let's type npm run dev. So it's starting on localhost 5173. So npm run build or yarn build is used when you are ready to deploy your project on the server. So when you type this this command, you will get a specific folder which you have to host on server, right? So our project has been started on localhost 5173. This is for the introduction part. You can see all the built-in applications, and to start the project you just have to go to login and just click on sign in. Right, so our project has been started now. So let's go to the project configuration and check how you can change the. So in order to change the light theme colors or the dark theme colors, we have different files. It's inside src themes light theme. So since we have two themes, light and dark, so you just have to make changes in both the files. Let's go and check the light theme first. It's inside src theme and light themes. So this is the one. So let's go and check the primary color first. So what I'm going to do, I'm just changing this color to black. So I've saved the file, and see, the primary color has been changed to black. Right, this one, which was earlier blue. Same way you can change all the colors. Let's go and check the dark. Let's go and check the dark mode also. Dark theme color is now blue. And I'm going to the dark theme. I'm changing the primary color to black, and I've saved the file. See, so in the dark theme, the primary blue color has been changed to black. So this is how you can change colors from these files. It's pretty forward and very easy to use. Right, this is for the color themes. Now if you want to change the typography, you just have to make changes in two files, which is inside one of the changes inside main index.html. That's inside src. This is the one, index.html. So here we have the Google font link. We are using Jakarta fonts. So if you want to change it, you just have to paste the new link here and then go to variables.scss files and paste the name of that font family inside the body font family variable. So it's inside the src, then we have scss, then I think it's underscore variables.scss. this is the one, and this is the variable here. So you just have to mention the name of that typography font family name here. Save the file and your font family will be changed, right? So for the icons, we are using tabular icons. It's already installed in the project, so you just have to check the name, and to check the name of the icon you can go to this or the official website. From here you can check the name of that icon, and then you just have to import like this. And once you import like this, you just have to paste the icon name like a component, and you can also mention the size. Right, so to customize theme, we have one of the main file which is inside src, config.ts. this is the one, config.ts, right? So it's basically to change the default settings. For now the default settings are vertical, the left hand side theme direction, the theme color is light primary, the container option is boxed. If you want to change these default settings, you just have to go to the config.ts. this is the TypeScript part, so you don't have to make any changes in this. All you have to do is to change these settings, right? So let's go back to the theme. So it says to change the dark theme to the default dark theme. Let's copy the dark blue theme and let's change the blue theme to dark blue theme, and see, on refreshing the page, it has now changed to the default dark theme, right? And let's make one more change. Let's change the horizontal layout to true. It's a boolean value, most of the values are boolean here. And let's refresh the page. See, the layout has been changed to horizontally by default, right? So this is how you can manipulate things. Let's undo these changes. So most of the values are boolean like this, and to change the theme you just have to type the theme color, right? So inside this file you can change the dark theme, you can change color themes, right? The color themes are given here: blue, aqua, green, etc. We have 6 color themes as of now. And you can change the horizontal layout, you can change the layout to right to left, you can also change the full width layout, the box layout, the mini sidebar, and you can change if you want card with shadow or with borders. So these are all the things you can manipulate with this single file. It's very easy to use. That's how you can change the default themes. So let's go and check how you can add a new page, or you can change the routing. So to add a new page to the sidebar, you have to go to sidebar items.ts. it's inside src. Then we have layouts. Inside full we have vertical sidebar, and then sidebar items. This is the one. This is for the icons. Right, so this is the one. Here it is. It's for the header home. This is the one, header home. Then we have header apps. So let's go, and I'm adding one more page instead of e-commerce. Let's change the name to test, and I'm changing the icon to box icon. Let's save the file. So it will redirect us to the dashboard / e-commerce. The path is same, right? Like you can see, a new route has been created by the name of test, which is similar to e-commerce because we haven't changed the path. So in order to change the path like this new route, you just have to make changes inside src. We have router, and inside router we have main routes. Like this is the one, right? So since the path is dashboard / e-commerce, this is the one, and it will redirect us to Vue's dashboard e-commerce index.vue, right? So you just have to add either you can make changes in this one, or you can add a new name, path and component, right? This is how you can create a new path or route for your own purpose. So as I told you earlier, it's a multilingual project, and we have implemented languages like French, Arabic, Chinese and English. If you want to make changes, we have the files inside utils, which is again inside src utils locals, and these are the files. So these are the JSON files. You just have to this is basically for the sidebar, right? So what you have to do, you have to, if you want a new language to implement, you can you have to make a new JSON file like this, and with whatever you want to change you have to mention like this, and then to use it you have to go to usage, which is again inside vertical headers, the layouts. Then we have full. Inside vertical headers we have language. Here it is, right? This is the one, this is the file which you have to make changes in. So for API calls we are using Axios, which is basically a JavaScript library, and it is used to call and fetch the data from APIs, which is very easy to use. It's already installed. If you want to use it, you can go ahead and use it accordingly. We have also given the authentication, and we have used fake backend package, which uses JSON Web Token. So it's basically a backend part. If you want to use it, you can, and if you don't want to use it, you can remove that part, right? It's completely depend on you. So I've shown you how you can make changes in this template, which is very easy. But if you still face any issue, what you can do, you can just go to edinburgh.com/support, and you can raise a ticket, and your query will be resolved as soon as possible. Thank you.